When it comes to scientific research, mice, fruit flies, and zebrafish often steal the spotlight. But quietly behind the scenes, a small but mighty bird has been making waves in laboratories around the world. The quail. Yes, quail. Those tiny ground-dwelling birds found across Asia, Europe, and the Americas are proving to be powerful model organisms in developmental biology and toxicology studies. And as scientists continue to unlock their biological secrets, these humble birds may hold the key to solving some of humanity's most pressing health and environmental challenges. The Japanese quail is the most commonly used species in research due to its small size, rapid reproduction cycle, and ease of handling. Unlike many other avian models, quail can be bred in large numbers quickly, making them ideal for controlled experiments. But what truly sets quail apart is their embryonic development. Like chickens, quail embryos grow inside eggs that are easy to access and manipulate. However, quail embryos develop slightly faster than chicken embryos, and their cells are more easily labeled and tracked during development. This makes them an excellent system for studying how complex structures like the brain, heart, and nervous system form from a single fertilized cell. Developmental biologists use quail embryos to study everything from neural crest migration to limb formation. The Quail chimera system, developed in the 1980s by French scientist Nicole Le Doiran, remains one of the most important tools in modern developmental biology. By grafting quail tissue into chicken embryos, or vice versa, researchers can track where specific cells migrate and what tissues they become. This technique has provided crucial insights into congenital diseases, cancer metastasis, and regenerative medicine. For example, quail models have helped scientists understand how certain birth defects occur and how stem cells might be used to repair damaged organs or tissues. Moreover, because birds share many anatomical and genetic similarities with mammals, including humans, discoveries made in quail often translate well to human biology. In addition to developmental biology, quail are widely used in toxicology, the science of understanding how chemicals affect living organisms. Because quail are sensitive to environmental toxins and reproduce quickly, they serve as early warning systems for pollutants in ecosystems. Researchers expose quail eggs to various substances: pesticides, heavy metals, pharmaceuticals, and observe how these agents impact development, fertility, and survival. These studies help regulatory agencies determine safe exposure levels for humans and wildlife. For instance, quail have been instrumental in testing the safety of new drugs, cosmetics, and industrial chemicals. Their eggs are also used to assess the long-term effects of endocrine disruptors, chemicals that interfere with hormone systems and can lead to developmental disorders, reproductive issues, and even cancer. Beyond the lab, quail play a vital role in ecosystem health. As seed dispersers and prey animals, they are essential components of balanced ecosystems. Declines in wild quail populations often signal broader environmental problems, such as pesticide overuse, habitat destruction, or climate change. By studying quail in both laboratory and field settings, scientists gain critical information about how environmental changes affect biodiversity and, ultimately, human health. Protecting quail habitats means protecting the health of entire ecosystems, including our own. So, could quail really save us? While that might sound like hyperbole, the truth is that these unassuming birds are already saving lives through medical breakthroughs, environmental monitoring, and safer chemical policies. As we face global challenges like antibiotic resistance, pollution, and climate change. The quail may prove to be one of our most valuable allies. From the lab bench to the forest floor, these birds are helping us understand life at its most fundamental level and pointing the way toward a healthier, more sustainable future. Next time you hear about a scientific breakthrough, remember, there's a good chance a quail was involved, quietly changing the world, one egg at a time. Do not forget to subscribe.